In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your plan on Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to confirm your new subscription without any confusion. First, open your preferred web browser and go to canva.com. Give the page a moment to load and make sure you're looking at the home screen. Now, sign into your account. If you have more than one account, double-check you're logging into the one you actually use for your designs. This helps ensure the upgrade applies to the right workspace and you immediately see the benefits where you need them. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen for the gear icon. That's your settings. Click it to open your account settings. Inside settings, find and click Billing and Plans. This section is where Canva keeps all subscription details, including your current plan, upgrade options, and payment settings, so it's the perfect hub for managing your subscription. Now, you'll see an option to upgrade. Click Upgrade or try Canva Pro. This opens the upgrade flow and shows you the available plans. Next, choose the plan that best fits your needs. Pro is designed for individuals who want access to premium templates, advanced tools, and assets for solo use. Teams is built for group collaboration, giving you shared brand controls, streamlined approvals, and features that help multiple people work together smoothly. Pick the one that aligns with how you use Canva day to day. After choosing your plan, select your billing cycle. You can go with monthly if you prefer flexibility, or choose yearly if you want a lower average cost over time. Yearly billing is typically discounted compared to paying month to month, but it's charged upfront, so pick the option that matches your budget and commitment level. Next, enter your payment details. You can pay by card or PayPal. Take a moment to ensure your information is accurate and that your billing address matches what your payment provider expects. Small typos can cause payment errors, so a quick review here can save time. When everything looks correct, confirm your choice by clicking Subscribe or Upgrade. Give it a few seconds to process. Your plan activates immediately, so you can start using the upgraded features right away. You should notice access to premium templates, advanced editing tools, and brand features as soon as the page refreshes. That's it. You've successfully upgraded your plan on Canva. Enjoy creating with the enhanced tools and assets, and feel confident knowing you can always return to billing and plans in settings if you ever need to review your subscription details.